Hello friends, we had discussed about some approximate weightage for each chapter of subject maths part first and second. Today we are going to discuss some concept of chapter number first mathematical logic in part first. In this chapter, first concept is statement. For this concept, we consider some examples. Example number first, sun rises in a east. Second, 5 into 2 equal to 11. And third sentence, every triangle has three sides. Friends, all these three sentences, just ask your mind one question. It is true or false? Means the first sentence, sun rises in the east. It is true or false? Our mind gives us answer, it is true. Similarly, first sentence second, 5 into 2 equal to 11. Friends, just ask your mind, it is true or false? Yes, our mind gives us, it is false. Similarly, for the sentence third, every triangle has three sides. So friends, it is true or false? Yes, it is true. Means for the sentences our mind gives us answer, it is either true or false. Means definite answer for that sentences, it is either true or false. Such a sentences are statement. Means the proper definitions of statement is a declarative sentence or a assertive sentence which is either true or false, but both not simultaneously. Both not simultaneously, it means what? If we take one example, Rahul is a good boy. Friends, ask your mind, Rahul is a good boy, it is true or false? We don't know who is Rahul, so our mind does not give us a perfect answer, it is true or it is false. It is, for some people it is true, for some people it is false. Means our mind does not give us perfect answer. It means this sentences is not statement. Means statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false, but friends both not simultaneously. Such a sentences are called statement. And friends, statements are denoted by the letters P, Q, R, small letters, etc., etc. Okay. So friends, we take some other example for you. First example, Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. So ask your mind, Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. It means this sentence also a statement. Now friends, next one, every equilateral triangle is an equiangular triangle. So it is true or false? Yes, it is true. It means this sentence also a statement. Now friends, last one, every natural number is an integer. So it is true or false? Yes, it is also true. It means these sentences are statements. So now friends, let's take some other examples. First one, please give your pen. So friend, ask your mind, it is true or false? No, our mind does not give us answer. Similarly for what is your name? It is question. So our mind does not give us answer. It is true or false. Next one, what a beautiful place it is. It is true or false? No, our mind does not give us answer. Means all the requests, please, it means it is request. All the questions are not statement. Similarly, next fifth number example, do you like to play tennis? It is also question. It means it is also a not statement. Now let take next example, open the window. It is true or false? No, our mind does not give us answer. It means all the commands also are not statements. So remember friends, all requests, all questions all exclamatory sentences, also all commands are not statements. Similarly, take next example, 3x upon 2 minus 9 equal to 0. It is true or false? We don't know what is the value of x, so we don't know what is the value of this equation. Means our mind does not give us answer it is true or false. Means this sentence also a not statement. Similarly, for next, he is a tall, we don't know who is he, so our mind does not give us answer. It means this sentence also a not statement. Friends, such a sentences we don't know the value of x or we don't know who is the person, such a sentences are called open sentence. And remember, all open sentence are not statements. So remember one note, all the questions, all the exclamatory sentences, all requests, all commands and all open sentences are not statements. So now friends, we discuss next concept of this chapter, compound statement. Friends, we learned definition of statement and we also learned the denotation of statement. Statement are denoted by the letters P, Q, R. Means one statement 2 into 3 equal to 6. It is one simple statement. But the friends, if we join two or more simple statements by using some words like as, and, or, if, then, if and only if in a short form, if and not. Means we use the words for combine the two simple statement or two or more simple statements. Such a words are called logical connectives. And friends, if we join two or more simple statement by using logical connectives and the statement becomes each called compound statement. Let us see the definition of compound statement. A statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements is called a simple statement. Means we can't split the statement in two statements. Such a statement is called simple statement. But the friends, if the statement is the combination of two or more simple statements, then it is called compound statement. For example, 3 is a prime and 4 is a even number. Means this statement are joined by using the word and two statements are joined each other. Means this statement is a compound statement. Okay. And the words we use to join the simple statement are called logical connectives. And these logical connectives, in mathematical logic, all the connectives have some logical names. Let us see. First, conjunction. Okay. What is conjunction? If two statements are combined using the connective and, then it is called as conjunction. Means the two simple statements are connected each other by using the word and, then the statement that logical connectives is called conjunction. And it is symbolically denoted by like this, P conjunction Q. Read as P conjunction Q, and symbolically it is denoted P conjunction Q. Okay. Now the truth table for this logical connective conjunction. Friends, all the truth table for each logical connectives are so important for us because mainly all the concepts are depends on that logical connectives and truth table of all logical connectives. Now discuss about the first truth table of these logical connectives. Okay, first we take here the statement P and statement Q, and both statements are connected by using the word and this and is called conjunction. Okay, now let us discuss what is the truth table for this conjunction. Friends, if the statement P is true and statement Q also true, then their conjunction also true. Means remember, first statement also true, second statement also true, then the conjunction of that statement also true. Otherwise, for all it is false. Means remember, T, 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 otherwise F. For your tricks, remember the truth table of conjunction like as T, 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 otherwise F. Okay. Now, next logical connectives, namely disjunction. So friends, if two simple statements are connected by using the logical connectives or such a connected statement is called disjunction, and we denote this disjunction like as P disjunction Q and read as P or Q or P disjunction Q. It's your choice. If you want to read this P or Q, then it is P or Q, or it is P disjunction Q. Now friends, discuss about the truth table of disjunction also. Is logical connectives have different truth table, and that truth tables are important for you. So these two statements P and Q are connected by using the logical connectives disjunction, and the first statement is false, second also false, then the disjunction of these two statements also false. Means remember, first statement false, second also false, then disjunction of these two statement is false, otherwise it is true. So remember simply F, 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 otherwise T. It is the truth table for disjunction. Remember F, 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 otherwise true. So now friends, next logical connectives, namely conditional. It is also called implication. So what is implication? If the two simple statements are connected by using the logical connectives if then is called conditional, or it is also called implication, and this implication is denoted by using P single arrow Q, or like this P one side arrow Q, and read as P implies Q or P conditional Q. Remember the reading of this conditional: P implies Q, or if P then Q. It is your choice. Now discuss about the truth table of conditional or implication. Similarly, take the two simple statement and both simple statement are connected by using the connectives if then. It is P implies Q. Friends, if the first statement is true and second statement is false, then the implication of these two statement is also false. Remember, first statement is true, second statement is false, then implication of this statement is false, otherwise it is true. So single sentences for your remember that truth table: first statement is true, second statement is false, then implication also false, otherwise it is true. Means T, F, F, otherwise T. It is the truth table for implications. Now friends, next one, Logical connectives, biconditional or double implication. It your choice. What you want to say this? It is biconditional or it is double implication. Friends, if the two simple statements P and Q are connected to each other by using the word if and only if, short form of this word is if. Okay, if and only if, it means that if and two simple statements are connected by using the word or by using the logical connectives if and only if, then it is called biconditional or it is also called double implication. And denotation of this statement, P double implies Q or P biconditional Q also, means P two side arrow Q. It read as P biconditional Q or P if Q or P if and only if Q. Now friends, truth table of this biconditional is takes two simple statement P and Q, again take truth value for P and truth value for Q, and if the two statements are connected by using the word if, it means P biconditional Q. Then if both the statements have same truth value, it is either true or it is either F. Friends, both the simple statement have same truth value, means here TT and here last one F. Then the biconditional of these two statements are T, otherwise it is F. It means if the both statement have same value, it is either TT or it is either F, then the biconditional of these two statement is true, otherwise it is false. It means, remember, when the both statement have same truth value, then the biconditional of these two statements are true, otherwise it is false. So same to T, different to F. So simply you remember same to T, different to F. Okay friends, now next one, last logical connectives. Word for that logical connectives is not, and mathematical logically it is known as negation. Now friends, for that, if we take some simple statement P and this P statement is connected by using the logical connective not, then that statement is called negation. And the denotation of this negation is by using the symbol for similarity, like this similar P. It means read as negation of P. Now friends, truth table for this negation is very simple. If the statement P is true, then negation of P is F, and if the statement is false, then negation of that statement is true, means T to F and F to T, means remember only T to F and F to T. So all the 5 truth table are very important for you. Friends, remember these notes also. Negation of the statement is self that statement. If we double apply negation on a statement, then we gives original statement P. Okay, so friends, just recall or just recap of this all concept we learned in this lesson. Statement. So what is the statement? An assertive sentence or declarative sentence which is either true or false but both not simultaneously is called statement. So friends, also if we take some example here for the statement, suppose a natural number is a whole number. Let's take this example. A natural number is whole number. So ask your mind, it is true or false? Yes, it is true, means this statement is true. it means this sentence is a statement and truth value for this statement is capital T. Friends, remember, if the given statement is true, then the truth value of this statement is capital T, and if given statement is false, then the truth value of this statement is capital F. Means statement has two truth value. It is either T. Remember, the denotation of the truth value always capital letters. You don't use a small letter small t or small f. Always use for the truth value, it is capital letters only. Okay. So friends, next one, what is we learned the next concept. If the statement is true, then its truth value is capital T. And also the denotation of all statement, the letters P, Q, R are used for the denotation of the statements. So let us take some example for you. So friends, example number 3, please give me your pen. So ask your mind, it is true or false. Next one, example number 6, how nice this boy. It is exclamatory sentence, and we learned about the some sentences, questions, requests, commands, exclamatory sentence, open sentence are never statement. It means these two sentence also not a statement. Similarly, for example, number 7, x plus 3 equal to 5. We don't know what is the value of x. Means this sentence is open sentence, and we know the open sentence is not statement. Correct. Means this sentence is not statement. But friends, let us consider example number 9. In this example, x minus 4 equal to 6. Here we have given the value of x. It means we know the value of x. Means here this open sentence becomes statement because we put here the value for x. So if we put here x equal to 10, so 10 minus 4 equal to 6. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. Means our mind gives us answer when we know the value of x. Means such a sentence or statement, because our definition said, our definition is, if our mind gives us answer, it means these sentences are statement. Okay. Now next we discuss about logical connectives. How many logical connectives, friends? Yes, there are 5 logical connectives, and the words for logical connectives are and, or, if then, if. It means if and only if and not. And we know the logical names for all these words. For the and, we use the word conjunction. Means we call these logical connectives in logically conjunction. And we also know the truth table for conjunction, denotation of conjunction, and we also know how to remember T, 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 otherwise F. So now next logical connectives, or we know, friends, what is the logical name for this? Disjunction. Also we know the denotation of this disjunction, P, disjunction Q, and this is the truth table. And how to remember? Yes, F, 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 otherwise T. Okay. Now next one, next logical connectives, if then, and we know the logical name, it is implication or it is conditional. Okay. And what is the denotation? Yes, P implies Q. And the truth table, how to remember? T, F, F, otherwise T. This is the truth table for implication. Now next one, if. What is if? If and only if. And what is the logical name? Yes, biconditional. And what is other name for this? Double implication. And what is the denotation? Yes, two side arrow, P, double implies Q, also P by conditional Q. And also we know how to remember the truth table of this double implication. Same to T, different to F. Same to T simply and different to F. And last one, we know friend. What is the last one? Yes, it is negation. Okay, means the simple statement connect by the word not, it is called negation. And also we learned about the truth table of negation. If the statement is T, then negation of that is false, and if the statement is false, then negation of that is true. It means T to F and F to T. Okay friends, thanks for watching, and always do practice to for your best, and stay at home and be safe. Thank you.